Hey, it's Matt, aka The Natural Guinea Pig. Welcome to another EO Minute. If you've been watching these videos and you're interested in essential oils, I want to tell you how to get them, okay? Visit my website, thenaturalguineapig.com or tngpig.com, and you can check out Young Living Essential Oils, okay? This is a starter kit from Young Living Essential Oils. Open it up. You get 10 bottles of essential oils. Plus, you get a bunch of samples of other stuff. It's such a fancy box, right? I love it. You get a sample of Thieves Cleaner. You get Ninja Red. You also get another bottle of oils. You get some sample bottles. It is the best way to start your journey towards wellness. As I've said many times before, essential oils are not the key, the be-all end-all to being healthy, but they're a great way to get you on track. And that's why I encourage them, and that's why I love essential oils from Young Living, because they're the most pure and wonderful essential oils you can get on the planet. Okay, so check out my website if you want some more information about essential oils, and I hope you'll join me on this journey. It's a great thing. My life has improved so much, and I hope yours will as well. Thanks for joining me for another EO Minute. I'll see you tomorrow.